Hello, my name is JB and I'm the CEO and founder of SMI Digital. And this is part 2. Part 1, if you haven't watched it yet, here's the link. Please do watch it. It's about the importance of an event page. Now today I'm going to show you the importance of having a feedback or survey form and then integrating it if you would want to for some post-test questionnaires. Okay? And this is brought to you by, of course, Visual Events Philippines. And this survey form is our very own product. It's our very own platform, and we call it Feedmo. So in Feedmo, we design, we create, host, distribute, and collect everything for you. So it's worry-free. Again, it's hosted on our platform, fast and secure hosting platform. And then it's our templates for the survey form is very unique. It's not the usual ordinary Google Docs or Google Files, whatever. It's not made of Excels, okay? It's like this. So basically, you can see on the screen, this is our official website. So basically, it's a combination of a picture, and then it's very easy to answer. It opens on mobile and laptop versions. That's amazing, right? So Feedmo is the only platform that enables you to have real conversations, gather valuable feedback, and of course, it aims to help bridge the gap between you and your customers. So Feedmo is the ultimate way to connect with your customers, attendees, prospects, and more. So I stopped the video, but I'll show you a sample later, an actual event feedback form. So we can create a different kind of questionnaires inside the survey form. Okay, it doesn't need to be 5-star. It could be a text answer. It could be multiple choice, anything, and we will present that to you. Okay, during the planning stage. So, but then again, Feedmo is a multi-channel survey made easy. So basically, it's very engaging to your customers, attendees, and participants. It's a great collaboration for your employees and others to know their feedback, to know how they feel about working with you, to know how they think about you being their boss. You're amazing, okay? And then it's also a good tool for you to gather marketing updates to your customers, to know what the people needs. It's not just for virtual or private event. You can post it in your website, and then you can also it also shares and collects responses. Distribute this, share this via link, SMS text, QR codes, website survey forms. We can embed it like what we did with PSPME. We create the website, we put this form inside your website. Driven voice survey. You can actually do audio inside the questionnaire. Amazing. You can also do video inside the customer. You can video yourself asking the questions. And then, can you imagine that? Your attendees will see you asking and talking to them through the video. And then they can also answer using video. It's amazing, right? You can also send this and share this feedback form via Facebook Messenger. And of course, there's an audience panel description. So this is the best online survey platform so that you can attract all your customers. You can gather all the data that you need from them. Okay, so that's me. That's my picture. So let me just show you some features about Feedmo. So it's a complete survey platform. Basically, we can design the images for you. We can put your logo on it. It's completely your platform when we design it for you. So it's easy of use, mobile friendly. So all these things, you can visit our website to see all this special features and benefits that you're gonna get. It's an end-to-end integration. As you can see, we can also integrate to different ecosystem. Okay, like HubSpot, Zapier, Google, and more. And then, of course, the data are secured, okay, and encrypted. So, leverage the power of artificial intelligence through Feedmo. Okay, so you can go to our website. You can click here and request for a demo. We can meet up, talk about it. We can create a demo for you. So, you can also see the use cases for this Feedmo. So, there's a lot of use cases here. These are just sample, visual and customized. You can reach your employees anytime, anywhere. And you can also insert video of you talking. And look at that, it's very engaging, attractive, unique, right? And what else is in the website? You can go to the website, fill up the contact form like what you see on the screen, and we'll get in touch with you. So now let's jump in to the event page. Okay, now that PSPME event page, after the day 1 and day 2, okay, we design a survey form and a post-test questionnaires. But we design it, we activate the post-test questionnaires, which is also hosted by SMI Digital. And then once they complete the post-test questionnaires, okay, of course that is a quiz. That's a score quiz. Of course, it's just an information on the organizers would like to know whether their participants or whether the speakers were able to deliver, okay, the topics very well, and if the attendees were able to learn something. And for you to know that and to test that, so you have to create those post-test questionnaires. So I think day 1 was about 10 questionnaires. Yeah, I think 10. And then it's a multiple choice, and then there's a score. And then at the end of the post-test questionnaires, once they click submit, they receive the scores, whether they fail or not, and then they are automatically taken to the survey form. And then at the end of the survey form, if you submit it again, it will be it will ask for your name and email address, and then that's the time, okay, that our platform will be able to get, of course, the information, so that the digital e-certificate will be created. Again, we can create it for you. So all these things are worry-free and can be taken care of by Virtual Events Philippines through fidmo.co. So let's jump in with the post-test questionnaires. This is actually an actual post-test. Okay, this is tapos na tong event na to. Okay, so this is not active already. So let me just show you. So as you can see, day 1 pa lang to. So it comes with this. So let's answer this. Okay, so the first question, the first test is blah blah blah. Let's just answer this random and true. Hulaan lang natin just for the purpose of this video, because we are not doctors, you know. And this one, okay, and of course I'm done with the answer. It will ask for my name, so of course you all know who I am. And let me just type my name, and then I have to enter my email. You can inspiremagicshop@gmail.com, for example. Okay, let's just copy that. Confirming is good, because you would know whether your email was typed correct, or if not, at least it will avoid some bounce on the system. So as you can see, I've answered all the post-test questionnaires. Okay, now again, multiple choice. We can create the post-test with you. We can design it together. And after filling up the post-test, I want to see my score. So I hope this works, because I think I deactivate it last month, but let's check. It's Magic Shop. Okay, so once I click get results, of course, as you can see, there's a security, very secured. So select all images with chimney. Okay, chimney. Oh, I missed one. Okay, there you go. And now, as you can see, it's loading. And now, good, look. Convention, post-test. Thank you for participation and support. Please feel free to take a screenshot of your post-test result. Now, we created this. Okay, we designed it. You can put anything here. Okay, we can discuss it. We can plan this together. And these are the correct answers. As you can see, number 1, that's wrong. Number 2, I'm correct. Number 3, right. 4, it's wrong. And then X. And then now, look at this. There's a result. Okay, fidmo.co will give you the result. And my score is 3 out of 8. So I'm 38%. Of course, we choose not to put here some negative words like this one. Nilagay na lang namin, you can do better. Unless you say, you failed. You don't do that. So you can do better. So I got a score of 3 out of 8, which is 38%. Now, we can activate if you want to pre-take the quiz, but what's it for, you know? So it's okay. Then we can gather all this data in our system. And then as you can see, we also can customize the message at the end. It's your e-certificates will be sent to your registered email 1 week after the convention. Now check your email and spam folder because sometimes it goes to the spam folder. And then check out the program details for day 2. And we gave them another link of the event page. So again, we tried to connect them again so that they can go back and visit the event page for the benefit of knowing what's going to happen on day 2, day 3, and also for the benefit of showing our sponsors section again. Okay, so that's the quiz, right? As you can see, actually I embedded this on the page, on the event page, but I already deactivated. So this is the score. Now on the page, there's a button there, but I'm not gonna show it to you anymore because it's confidential there. So it's gonna take you to the feedback form. But before we do that, before we go to the feedback form, let's go to the result of the exam. So we gather this data. So these are the reports that we gathered. Those who answered the post test. As you can see, this peak kasi November 8 yung event. And there are, look, 721 who took the post test. And then we also have a map on the location. Of course, you can see everyone was in the Philippines, okay? And then we can also identify the locations of those who took the exam. There's 60 from Metro Manila. There's 7 from Calabarzon. In Central Luzon, there's 4. There's 4 in Davao. There's 1 in Eastern Visayas and another 1 in Western Visayas. So this is all happening in SMI Digital Feedmo platform. And then there are who took the exam, who uses a mobile form, 78, 20 desktop, and 10 tablets. So as you can see, this show gives us the information that people are more and more just using their mobile phone and less using their desktop or laptops and even tablets. So that's a good info, right? And then as you can see, the channel, we have 88% referral and then 12% direct. But you know, that's a different readings already. Now, like what I said, after answering and receiving this post-test questionnaires, once they click the button, take me to the survey form, it's gonna take you to this survey form. So it's basically another link, another website, which SMI Digital created via feedmode.co, which is our own survey platform. So this is the introduction for the first questionnaire. So let me just go through it. This is an actual questionnaires. I don't think you're gonna see anything confidential on this. So this is November 8, 2021. We'd appreciate your feedback for no more than 2 minutes of your time. So look how fast, how convenient, and how fun it is to answer the survey form. So let's click start. Program. Okay, the virtual convention was informative, updated, and well organized. Of course, I say 5-star. Look, it goes to the second question automatically. I'll give them a 5-star again. The lecturers were knowledgeable. Yes, 5-star. The platform was used. Virtual convention was efficient. Of course, it's efficient because it's our platform. Goes to the next one. The registration to the event was well organized. So let's just go through it. And you know, this is interesting because we also asked the participants about the comments regarding the speakers. So the topic was relevant to my practice and met my expectations. If I'm a doctor, I saw that, oh, it was Dr. Antoinette. They were talking about her, how was her topic, how was her presentation, was it relevant to my practice as a doctor? And then I can answer 1, poor, fair, adequate, excellent. And of course, I answered it 5-star. And then it goes to the next question. The lecturer answered question satisfactorily because we had the live Q&A. And of course, I think she answered all my questions and information was very... And then of course, we proceed to the next speaker. So basically, same questions will go through to the next speaker. And then I think there's another third speaker here. Okay, so same questions also. So let's give them all 5-star because these doctors are all amazing. I was a witness. Okay, and then there's another one, 5-star again. And let's give a 5-star just for the sake of this demonstration, okay? But they're really good. Now, you can also ask this question. As you can see, what topics would of interest you in the next subsequent convention? So I can type here, just say any topic. That's it. But you can type whatever you want if this is the actual feedback form. Type OK. There's a thank you. Please submit the complete the form and you will be redirected to PSPME 2021 event page. So that means again, we redirected again everybody to the main page to check the calendar for the day 2 activity and of course to visit the sponsors section. So if I click submit, this will take me. I hope it's still activated. There you go. So it works. So now it's an actual, as you can see, it's smooth. It opens so fast, reliable, and look at that. Okay. And this is the main event page of PSPME conference. This is a 2 days event. So that's it. And I hope I was able to show you the power of integrating survey form, post-test questionnaires, and e-certificates. Okay, so all of this, we can provide all of this through feedmo.co. So if you're interested, visit the website feedmo.co, and then you can connect with us. You can contact us so we can provide you a demo, give us your information. We can meet as well. And of course, all of this is brought to you by Virtual Events Philippines. Okay, again, thank you very much for your time, and I hope I was able to show you how you can make your virtual event, online event, or even in-person event, or any types of event using Feedmo. Okay, Feedmo is also not just for virtual event, but it's also a good way, okay, to post it in social media to your customers, to your existing customers, to your prospects, okay, to know whatever they're thinking about your product, to know their needs, to know what they want, and to give you feedback and information and critique, okay, on your products and services. So then again, whether you're an event organizer, this will benefit to all your event, to your clients. If you're an HR head, if you're a business owner, you can use this for your employees, for your team, for your salespeople, to your marketing people, and also if you want to test the product knowledge of your salespeople or anyone in the marketing industry, you can do this as well. So, but then again, that's feedmo.co, and I hope if you have any question, I hope we can work on your projects very soon. Again, my name is JB De La Cruz, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe.